Hello learners. Welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy, your guide to mastering ERP with clarity and confidence. In our previous video, we got an overview of the quality control module and understood how quality plays an important role throughout the business process. Today, we begin with the first and one of the most important quality checkpoints in any organization. Incoming quality control, commonly known as incoming QC. Let's understand this process in a simple and practical way. Section 1. What is incoming QC? Whenever materials are received from a supplier, the organization needs to ensure that the materials meet the required quality standards before they are used. Because even if the quantity is correct, poor quality material can create problems in production, increase rejection rates, and impact customer satisfaction. This inspection process performed on incoming materials is called incoming quality control. In Lighthouse ERP, incoming QC helps organizations record test results, evaluate material quality, and decide whether the material should be accepted for further use. Section 2. Why is incoming QC important? Let's understand with a simple example. Suppose a company receives raw material from a supplier. If the material does not meet the required specifications and is directly issued to production, the quality of the finished product may also get affected. That's why organizations perform quality inspections before accepting material into inventory or production. Incoming QC helps organizations accept only quality approved material, reduce production defects, improve supplier evaluation, maintain product quality standards, prevent costly rework and rejection. Section 3. How does incoming QC work? The process is very simple. Step 1. Material receipt. First, material is received from the supplier. This is usually recorded through a goods receipt note, commonly known as a GRN. Step 2. Quality inspection. After receipt, the quality control team performs inspection. The material is checked against predefined testing parameters. These tests may include physical inspection, chemical testing, visual inspection, or any other quality criteria defined by the organization. Step 3. Recording test results. Once testing is completed, the results are recorded in the system. The actual test values are compared against the expected quality standards and acceptable limits. This helps the organization determine whether the material meets the required specifications. Step 4. Approval or rejection. Based on the inspection results, material can be approved, material can be rejected, material can be sent for further review. Only quality approved material should move forward for inventory or production usage. Section 4. Additional business benefits. Incoming QC provides much more than inspection. Organizations can also compare quality performance of different suppliers, track pending quality inspections, maintain complete quality history, improve procurement decisions, monitor quality trends over time. Section 5. Real-world example. Let's consider a practical scenario. A manufacturing company receives a truck carrying raw material from a supplier. Before the material is issued to production. 1. The material is received. 2. The QC team performs inspection. 3. Test results are recorded. 4. The material is evaluated against quality standards. 5. Approved material is accepted. 6. Rejected material is isolated for corrective action. This simple process ensures that only quality approved materials enter the production cycle. Section 6. Summary and what's next. Let's recap. What is incoming quality control? Why incoming material inspection is important? How quality testing is performed? Approval and rejection process. Business benefits of incoming QC. Incoming QC acts as the first quality checkpoint in the entire manufacturing process. When quality is controlled at the entry stage, the chances of defects in later stages reduce significantly. If this video helped you understand the fundamentals of incoming quality control, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments, we're always here to help. In our next video, we'll move to production quality control and understand how quality is monitored during the manufacturing process. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and let Lighthouse ERP be your partner in business excellence.